So today we'll discuss star to delta conversion and delta to star conversion. Okay, this is very important point of view from uh, exam. Okay, in exam there may be a direct question from star to delta or delta to star conversion, or maybe some circuit is given where you need to if you apply the star to delta or delta to star, depending on the circuit configuration, your calculation will become easy. That we'll see. Okay, so let's start from star to delta conversion. Okay, so as you see in this diagram, star is this symbol. Okay, and delta is this one. Okay, so let's see. So star is, so if I write star I have written like this one. Okay, so this is basically means these three arm are nothing but circuit element. Circuit element means here these three only will be passive element. Only will be passive element. There will be no active element. Okay, in these three arm you can say, or whether it may be delta also, there will be no. Or suppose if I write here delta, so this one, so here in this three arm there will be passive element, no active element. Okay, keep this thing in mind, there will be no active element. Okay, whether star or delta, no active element. Now active element means I have shown, active element means source, basically source, that is voltage source, that is voltage source or current source. Okay, so voltage source or um, voltage source or current source. And passive element means there are three: resistor, okay, inductor, and capacitor, circuit element. Okay, so um, in this three branch uh, in the three branches of star and delta connection, in the three branches of star and delta connection, there will be either resistor denoted by R, inductor, or you can say inductance, whatever may be, depending on the circuit configuration, and capacitor or capacitance. Okay, and capacitance. Okay, okay. So I think this is clear. There will be no active element. Okay, and on next point is this is very important. This is one point, and second is there must be there must be so there must be there must be three uh, element, three passive element, three 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 passive element. Okay, why? Because if we have two elements, suppose two resistors, so two resistor cannot be connected in either star or delta. Or suppose there are five resistor, so we cannot connect it either star or delta. Okay, so that can be connected in series or parallel. So that's why this is important, that there must be three, not less than three or more than three element that can be connected either in star or delta. Okay, so next, first see star to delta conversion. Okay, first see star to delta conversion. Okay, star to delta. So suppose I am taking resistor only. Okay, for simplicity purpose I am taking only resistor. So suppose three resistors, star means, suppose this is okay, suppose this is R1, suppose this is R2, this is R3. Okay, and I need to find out its equivalent equivalent delta. Okay, equivalent delta conversion. Okay, this is star to delta. Okay, now see, delta means there will be closed. Okay, something like um, in this configuration there will be this one. Okay, that means suppose this one, this one, and this one. Okay, so suppose this is RA, this is RB, suppose this is RC. So this is RA, this is RB, this is RC. Okay, now I will write the formula. So how we can write RA? Okay, now see, suppose I am writing RA. So this is RA, suppose this is RB, and suppose here I am writing RC. Okay, so now see, numerator denominator, so resistance will be ohm. Okay, if it is given in ohm. Okay, now suppose I am finding RA, that means I will find this branch resistance of delta connection. So in denominator, see here R1, R2, R3 are known. Okay, star to delta conversion means here if I write highlight here, here R1, R2 and R3 are known. Okay, I need to find out RA, RB and RC. Okay, uh, I need to find out RA, RB and RC. Okay, clear? Now, so R1, R2, R3 are known, star to delta conversion. Okay, so I will find this resistance. I want to find this resistance R1. Okay, and denominator, in denominator I will write, I want to find this, keep this thing, remember. I want to find this resistance. So the opposite known resistance, I want to find this resistance, its opposite known resistance is this one. Okay, so in the denominator I will write R3 here. Similarly, suppose I want to find RB, its opposite resistance, known resistance is this one. Okay, its opposite resistance is this one. So I will denominator I will write R1 and RC, opposite known resistance is opposite known resistance. Okay, uh, what I'm saying, opposite known resistance. Okay, so Ra, opposite known resistance R3, the denominator I have written R3. Similarly, RB, I want to find RB, its opposite known resistance R1, in denominator I have written R1. And I want to find RC, its opposite known resistance is R2. So I will write here R2. So denominator is complete. In numerator, what we write? See, these three R1, R2, R3 are known. So numerator will be same for all these three RA, RC. What will be? R1 into R2 plus R2 into R3 plus R1 into R3. This is same for all. R1 into R2 plus R2 into R3 plus R1 into R3. Similarly, here also R1 into R2 plus R2 into R3 plus R1 into R3. Okay, so this will be star to delta conversion. Now suppose here, from here what we can conclude is, you don't need to remember which one is RA, which one is RB, which one is RC. Okay, you don't need to remember. Okay, suppose in I will show you example. Okay, suppose in this slide, suppose I have taken suppose star to delta. Okay, suppose I have taken, this is 2 ohm, suppose this is 3 ohm, suppose this is 4 ohm. Okay, now I need to find out its equivalent delta. Okay, equivalent delta will be this one. Okay, this is example. mm, Example of star to delta conversion. Okay, so suppose I want to find this one. Suppose this is Rx, you can say anything. Okay, uh, suppose this is Ry, suppose this is Rz. How I will write? Okay, so this will be Rx, this will be Ry, this will be Rz. How I will write? Okay, sorry, this is, so this is suppose ry, this is rz. Okay, how will write? Simple. uh, I will write suppose rx here. Rx will be, I want to find this resistance is opposite resistance, known resistance is 4 ohm, so simply I will write here 4. Okay, similarly ry, ry means this one, so its opposite known resistance is 2 ohm, so I will write 2 here. And rz, I want to find this resistance, opposite known resistance 3 ohm, so I will write here 3 ohm. Okay, rx 4, rz 3, ry 2. Okay, and in numerator I will write multiplication of all those three, 2 into 3 plus 3 into 4, 2 into 3, 3 into 4 into 2 into 4. Okay, so it will be 2 into 3 plus 3 into 4 plus 2 into 4. Similarly here also 2 into 3 plus 3 into 4 plus 2 into 4. Okay, so unit will be ohm. Okay, so you will get this as, suppose you will get this as 6 12 8, 6 12 8, 6 12 8 by 4, you will get 6.5 ohm this one. Okay, so this one will be 6.5 ohm, and this will be 13 ohm, this will be 13 ohm, and this will be 3, and this will be 8.67, 8.67 ohm, this will be 8.67. Okay, so don't need to find out which one is r1, r2, r3, rb, rc, rc. Just keep this thing, remember. Okay, you can easily find out. 3 into 2 6 12. Okay, so this is your star to delta. Next is delta to star conversion. Next is your delta to star conversion. Delta to star conversion. Example, suppose delta means closed path. Suppose this is delta. Suppose this is 2 ohm, this is 4 ohm, this is 6 ohm. I need to find it equivalent star. So star means here I can say this one. Okay, this one. Okay, suppose this is r1, this is r2, suppose this is r3. Okay, so that means star means this is r1, this is r2, this is r3. Okay, that means how we can write, find out? Simple. There is a trick. Suppose here what will be r1? I need to write here r1, here r2, and suppose R3. Okay, now I need to find R1. Okay, now here I will see uh, what are the two opposite side resistance. What are the two opposite side resistance of R1? What are the two opposite side resistance of R1? Okay, so here it is, suppose here it is 2 into 4 multiply of opposite side resistance. Okay, I want to find R1, so it's opposite to the opposite side resistance are opposite means the side resistance 2 and 4, so I will write numerator 2 into 4. Similarly, I have to find R2. Suppose R2, its two side resistance, known resistance are 4 and 6. So here I will multiply 4 into 6 because I need to find R2, its two side resistance are this and this. Similarly, I have to find R3, its two side resistance are 2 and 6. So I will multiply here 2 and 6. And denominator we will write 2 plus 4 plus 6. Okay. And here 2 plus 4 plus 6, 2 plus 4 plus 6. Oh, just see. Okay, so what we will get, um, 12, it, it will be 0.67, means this one will be 0.67 ohm. That means R1 will be 0.67 ohm, R2 will be, this R2 will be 2 ohm, so this will be 2 ohm, and this one will be 1 ohm. This will be 1 ohm. Okay, so this is the way you can remember, or you can find out. You don't need to remember the these formula, which one is RA, RB, RC, which is given in the book, or R1, R2, R3. Just keep this thing, remember, you can solve. Okay, if you have any query, you can ask in the comment section. Okay, thank you. Thank you.